Welcome to another episode of Voice of the Customer.
The voice of the customer.
Today we're here with Jeri. Jeri, you just brought a brand new 2024 F53 and brought it directly from the factory to us. Can you tell us about your experience?
I am so glad that I came up here. I just enjoyed being with these people, and best of all, I got to take the ride today after it was finished.
See how level that's doing?
100%. Yeah, that was great. And it is so different than when I drove up here.
So you might be wondering, why would somebody bring in a brand new coach? And here at Henderson's, we like to solve problems, not just throw parts at things. What problems were you looking to solve when you came to us?
Well, I do a lot of research, and I'd read a lot about this F53 chassis and the things that people were writing about, complaining about. They call it a porpoise when it goes up and down in the front, having to steer, not hard steering, but having to hold it on the road because it wanted to wander, and going over bumps sharply, a lot of really shivery type stuff going over little bumps. The motorhome now floats over them.
Excellent. Now, you also had the road performance assessment done. Can you talk a little bit about that experience specifically?
Since I'm a researcher, I also found out that there was a special place in Grants Pass, Oregon called Henderson's Lineup. And so many people said, take your RV to Henderson's, they will take care of you. Were they ever right? Oh, look at how easy it goes. I don't have to work to hold it.
Nope.
It's just like a feather to touch it. I mean, these people from the day I walked in, and they have taken care of me. I wanted to put a whole bunch more stuff on there, and they said, you don't need all that stuff. We're going to put on there what you need. It'll be the best. I said, I want to make sure I get the best. They said, it will be the best, but you don't need everything that you have read about. And so I just put myself in their hands, and they took care of the rest. They put everything on there that I needed, and the way I know that is because I drove it today.
So did you notice the difference?
Oh, yeah. Did I ever? Wow. It's like night and day.
Well, thank you for that, Jeri. We did some specific part installations, including radius rods, sway bars, shocks, and a track bar. A lot of people have never been here before. What would you tell somebody who would be considering coming to Henderson's?
I would tell you, follow the lead of like hundreds of people before me have. The kindness and the care and the explanations, everything that everybody has done to let me know. Get up here if you have any problems with your steering, the way your coach rides, anything that has to do with the chassis or more. Get up here to Henderson's and let them solve your problem.
Thank you, Jeri, for bringing your coach to us. And if you like content like this, remember to like and subscribe, hit that bell notification, and until next time, have safer and happier driving.